Hi, Matthew Ray with MarineMax in Sarasota. Today I wanted to show you this beautiful 240 Sundeck Outboard. We're often asked, hey Matt, we love the Sea Ray boats, they're great, but my goodness, they cost so much money. These expensive new boats, do you ever get anything in pre-owned? Today's your lucky day. We got a pre-owned 240 Sundeck, 2017. Come on aboard, let me show you some of the features. So this 2017 240 Sundeck Outboard had one owner. It's got 93 hours. Beautiful, beautiful boat. They traded it in on a 270 Sundeck Outboard. They love the brand, they love the boat, they just wanted to get a little bigger. Now it's an opportunity for you. Seating for 12 on this boat, real comfortable for 8 or 9. The seat back goes this way to face backwards if you want to watch a water ski or a tuber, but then it lifts up forward facing, beautiful. Like all the Sundecks, it's got a nice head compartment. Porta potty that is plumbed, so it's a pump out head for you, very convenient. You've got the beautiful infinity carpeting, real thin, real comfortable, not hot on your feet. Of course it has non-skid underneath it, so it makes it perfect for a day of going out boating. If you don't want to have the carpet, you've got non-skid, so it's perfect for all of that. Storage down here below for water skis, tubes, extra anchor, what have you need. You've got nice seating area here, 5 or 6. They're comfortable with a table. The tables actually have 2 tables on this boat that pop out here and in the front of the boat. The boat comes with a navigation system. So you have a beautiful Sea Ray navigation system all set in. Touchscreen, pinch to zoom, perfect. We even got some tracks in there for you so you know where to go when you're out here in the bay. Coming forward, you've got great seating in the front. Look at that. How great is that? Armrest on each side, room for everyone. Pump out head over here, fresh water pump as well. So when you want to go for a swim, you can rinse the salt water off. If you want to learn more about this boat or any of our other new or pre-owned boats, come see us, MarineMax Sarasota.